Hi, I'm Alex Spires. I'm a gonzo journalist from time to time, and in that capacity, I recently attended on May 21, 2022, about a week ago, a conference called the Healing Columbus Trauma Care Conference, which is a trauma care and recovery conference, and apparently the first such conference of its kind ever, or perhaps the first conference of its kind ever in Columbus. I don't know. I attended in the capacity as a gonzo journalist and interjected myself and helped to facilitate conversation in a way that I feel helped my story, and also, of course, I hope helped along the conference a bit better and helped facilitate better discussion in that. I recently completed a years-long meditation study and finalized my report in March. Video of the conference is linked below. I captured 5 sequences. Due to technical difficulties, my camera kept cutting out, and I would have to delete old files to continue recording, so there's lots of breaks in the video, but I got full audio of the sequences that I picked up. I did show up late, and I missed almost the entire opening segment, which was a series of panels, and I did get the ending of the last panel. And then there were workshops called breakout sessions, where small groups would get together and speakers would present their ideas, and then we would discuss those ideas. And I did my best to, of course, steal the show, because that's what gonzo is all about. I am the story, and the story itself is secondary to my experience of it. My meditation report is apparently kind of long, and I'm just going to read the section on breathing. Link to the full report will be in the description. Link to the videos of the Healing Columbus Trauma Care Recovery Conference will be in the description. And links to my sources for fact-checking will be in the description. The last thing I looked up when completing my meditation report was deep breathing, and this is the section of that report on deep breathing. Meditation does not bring stress relief or improve memory. It is only a focus training exercise. For these benefits, breathe with me. Breathe deep and do it any time you think about your breath. Excerpt from a report from the Mayo Clinic. When stressors are always present and you constantly feel under attack, the fight or flight reaction stays turned on. The long-term activation of the stress response system and the overexposure to cortisol, the primary stress hormone, and other stress hormones that follow can disrupt almost all your body's processes. This puts you at increased risk for many health problems, including anxiety, depression, digestive problems, headaches, muscle tension and pain, heart disease, heart attack, high blood pressure and stroke, sleep problems, weight gain, memory, and concentration impairment. Know this. Your breath is the Earth's atmosphere. It is an invisible body part that is also part of my body. It is also whale breath and microbe breath. It is the breath of plants and fungi. It is an invisible part of all our bodies that we all share. My mind is not your mind. The structure of my body is not the structure of your body. Our breath, however, is the Earth's atmosphere, an invisible body part bigger than the surface of the planet. There is no private air. Excerpt from a peer-reviewed article from Nature. Prolonged elevated cortisol, the primary stress hormone, levels in animals are also shown to cause atrophy, weakening in the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, and hypertrophy, growth, in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, largely through changes in dendritic remodeling, parts of brain cells that catch messages from other brain cells. These structural changes may contribute to deficits in appropriate feedback onto the HPA axis. That's the part of your brain that keeps you calm. Excerpt from results from a Berkely study. Activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, suggests that quick breathing rates may trigger feelings like anxiety, anger, or fear. Other studies have shown that we tend to be more attuned to fear when we're breathing quickly. Conversely, it may be possible to reduce fear and anxiety by slowing down our breath. Results from a Michigan State University study. Deep breathing causes the vagus nerve, which is the immune system and heart rate control, to signal your nervous system to lower your heart rate, blood pressure, and cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Taking just 10 deep breaths can assist with relaxation and provide a sense of calm. So if you're ever freaking out, take 10 deep, slow breaths, and pretty much any time you think about your breath, just take a deep breath. Deep breathing is integral to healthy mind and body.